Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace the ABS wheel speed sensor on a 2019 Kia Forte. So this is the ABS wheel speed sensor, goes into the steering knuckle here, and we have a size 10 bolt down here that holds it. We have a 12 here and we have a 10 here. This is all one unit, one bracket. When you buy it, it comes with this metal clips. So you're not like trying to pop this out of here or whatnot. But we'll undo this and work our way up. We've got a couple push pins to be removed, and then we've got the push pins from the fender well to remove to be able to get the connector out. A lot of times with wheel speed sensors, you got to just kind of tap them a little bit to get it to move side to side. Then you should be able to pull it out. Because we don't want to be breaking it off inside there, then you'd have to drill it out and all that other fun stuff. And then a 10 up here. We have one push clip here. And so then in the fender well, see, we've got a push pin here. And we got one right here at the very top. Right down here we've got two Phillips screws to be removed. And then with those removed, we can drop this down and we can see the connector for the sensor is up here. We just got to push the clip to unlock and pull it out. Then we got one more . So with all that, we were able to remove our ABS wheel speed sensor. So to go ahead and install a new one, we'll go in the reverse order. Up here with the connection of the electric. And then, so once that electric is in there, then push that push clip in there, and push this push clip in there, and then you would put your fender back and put the push pins back in there to hold it in place. And then we move down here. This has a little metal tab, so you know the orientation there, and it sits there. Put 10 bolt in there and tighten it up. And then know that this one goes here. So we've got our number 12 bolt that goes right here. And then just you put the sensor in there and put the number 10 in there. And tighten that up. So that's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor on your 2019 Kia Forte. So first you would jack up the car, remove the tire. I turned it to the right to give me access here. and then also support your car with jack stands, and then be able to remove size 10 here, size 12, size 10, work your way up, a handful of push pins in the fender well, and 2 screws, and then that way you can get access to the back to unhook it, and then put it all back together by putting all the push pins back in and putting all the bolts back in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.